Hello, my name is Sofia. My full name is Muguerza. I am from Peru. I am Peruvian. I live in Chimbote. I am 18 years old. I like roast chicken. I like pizza. I don't like fish and beef. I love listening urban music and rock in Spanish, and I don't like metal. I love going to university and love going for a walk with friends. I don't like getting up early. I don't like smoking and drink. I love spending time with my family. Thank you.